It's a very somber feeling here in Catonsville. We're really not far from Mount DeSales Academy here in this neighborhood as we stand in front of that home where Baltimore County Fire Department says two construction workers, we now know a 24-year-old and a 32-year-old, were killed.
You don't ever think of people dying when you're renovating your house.
A very unfortunate thought becoming a reality for this Catonsville community. Baltimore County Fire Department says two construction workers were killed here on Academy Lane after a reinforcing wall collapsed in on them, trapping them in a 6-foot trench. Jessica Coleman says the homeowner, who she knows well, was home at the time.
She was home. She was on the phone when it happened, and she said she was talking to someone, and she was like, I think my house is falling down.
Investigators say the two workers were trying to reinforce an outside wall of the residence when it collapsed in on them around 11:30 Friday morning. About 8 hours later, firefighters confirmed they recovered both victims.
One day it's just another day, and it turns out to be your last one.
The saddest thing is, you never know when you're not going to come home again. You never know when you're not going to see your person again. That's the thing that really hit me and hurt me.
A hurt community, but one that's also keeping in mind the families grieving tonight.
Feel bad for their families. You don't expect to get a call when father or husband or partner is gone off to work and doesn't come home.
And we did just learn from Baltimore County Police Department the victims, their names and ages, as I mentioned at the top, 24-year-old Emerson Amestica and 32-year-old Wilmer Barzillo. They were both those construction workers killed here in Catonsville this morning. Live tonight in Catonsville, Tori Yorkie, WBAL TV 11 News.